Ugo Chuku something for you. Agbára lẹ tí wàá tẹ̀ sójú ẹ̀.
Shakara, nothing for.
Bad voice.
What's good?
Yes. So I know say we don't fall in again. This one another spoofic week. This one another wonderful week. We know say work when I work today. It makes sense. And Baba God don't do it in. He don't really. He don't bless una plenty. Yes, sir. And we don't come here again to talk better thing this week. Matter we want to talk about this week, it is related to the music we una hear so. Because I won't ask this question. But before that one, I'm going to introduce my men them. Shakra.
Yes. Alpha.
I did.
The only thing I been think of, but don't worry.
Shoma.
I was thinking
How you
about
doing?
some.
Which way?
I just got an alert, so I'm in a very happy mood.
Oh yeah, you don't get a lot. God,
Thank God for that. Yes, I beg. This one, now say anything for me, anything for you. No matter what we say, man, they ask woman. Anytime where you don't reach that package of say, marry me, I know marry you. Now, is it okay or it makes sense when you don't date person for a very long time, but at the end of the day, you don't accept a marriage proposal? Now, you don't date person for years. And at the end of the day, you don't accept a marriage proposal. Why? What thing they always cause and we say they be like that?
Me at first, if I want to jump on this first, if me date person for a very long time and I go meet the girl, contact the girl, say, would you marry me? And the girl say no. First and foremost, I don't go blame the girl first. I go and look the guy first. Because sometimes, you know, you get how some guys to the date girl. They figure other people, you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons for their life. And they never really make this girl know, say, they really, you know, love the girl. The girl feel they just see you like maybe one hit and run person.
One hit and run and you can't date them for close to 3 years.
They are this person for
a very long time.
There are many people that you, I don't want to say me, when you get for your life now, where you don't know for like 5 years now, you understand? When I feel they see maybe once every month, they crank, they go, you understand? And most times, for the girl mind, it always be like, say, you be her boyfriend, but you don't be her boyfriend, you don't be her girlfriend, but she think say you be her boyfriend. So imagine if you reverse her now.
Number one, me in person, I cannot even date a girl that's not my girlfriend for 3 years.
Too long.
That I know within my mind.
But Shakara, so most times, as guys now, when we really dey here, do you really walk up to a girl or really tell a girl, say, I want date you? You know they really tell the girl these days, say, I want date you.
It starts from friendship. From when I be friends, when they see each other.
I know of a story of you yourself, where person come meet you, come tell you, say, what are we
really doing?
You understand? Because that was as a result of constant cranking.
Not be cranking.
It's what?
Now closeness.
Which kind of closeness?
The closeness was there, like
there is a closeness.
Wait. The case where you refer to. Now just closeness of, okay, we go out. You know, I check on you.
This closeness was too much.
And the person never
I have been there. Ugo, you have been there before. This closeness, you know about it. You've been there. We've attended birthdays. I mean, how can someone be so close to you
now,
that the person... I'm coming, Ugo. This Shakara has more to answer in this kind of matter.
How?
Because I'm telling you that it's possible, say you feel the date person. In your mind, you feel like that
thing where you analyze now of me cannot go on for 2 years. Do you understand?
Okay.
Not even 3 years old. It happened like in the space of months.
Maybe months. Close to 1 year.
It was not close to 1 year.
But you don't say you get how you go crank girl like you were. I know you understand.
There was no cranking.
Cranking
was not
involved. Get how you go crank girl. Even if now 1 month you dey date the girl. But the crank you go be that 1 year you don't date the girl.
What you refer to? You know cranking was not even involved.
You told me that, but I don't want to believe it.
There's no cranking involved.
I cannot believe that.
You can go and ask.
How will I just walk up to her? I just ask her, did you crank Shakara?
My own.
When you were kissing in public.
Yes,
you were kissing in public.
Yes.
Like Cynthia Morgan is kissing Burna Boy now. And she says it's not a play. It's not drama. It's not musical video. You never see the video. So the same way you were kissing. So when I see two persons, a man and a lady kissing in public, They don't hide
You
them.
take and say they don't
Now,
crank before.
yes.
Not be everybody wey kiss for public don't
Now they
crank.
crank.
But they
So
get
man,
plan to crank.
no be but he never
They get
crank.
plan to crank.
But he
How long
never
will
crank.
you learn not cranking plan? You don't dey your mind to crank.
Tell me in your mind. Say cranking was not on your mind.
No, not at all. If it in my mind, very easy now. I will just
Now,
crank it for
the
that.
matter where I want more really chook mouth inside and say, you know, say so many marriage proposals don't come where we say people don't turn them down. I don't see one day like that where we say we go on a pizza joint like that. Me and my brothers and we did the chow. Now the guy just go on his knees, propose to the girl. The girl say no. The guy shocked.
What I'm saying is that if you have dated that guy for many years and he proposed to you, you say no, man, my sister, you are leading the witchcraft in your village.
But
I'm not joking, no.
But you see, Shakara.
But what
Because if
the
the guy not that good enough for you, all the while, you understand? If you don't leave him, or see, either not necessarily leaving him. You go don't do something. Let him know say this thing no go end for marriage.
End for marriage.
You understand? But if you just I feel they date somebody now. I dey enjoy her company maybe because I no get car. You understand? If I close for work, she always pick me. I dey enjoy all the moments. But she's very one kind, no be who I want marry. You know, say in between time, as that is not they go 1 year, 2 years. Some things what I gonna do to show say this thing. You know why people they propose? They don't believe say this person go marry me. Nobody for this life when they propose to woman. Whenever they convince inside a heart, say this one go be one. Nobody they gets proposal except you something they don't with your head.
What of in the case now? Because I like all what you don't talk now, you understand, and everything you've said now makes sense. But you now feel on there with this girl for 3 years, and maybe a week before when you want propose, you understand, 2 things might be involved. If you don't do something, will be the worst thing. You don't know. Say you don't do that thing, give that girl. You understand? That girl, if you don't discover something about you, but never fit don't tell you yet, or maybe one Dangote from somewhere, picking just come somewhere. Don't already begin the.
If you do something to your girl, Ugo, attitude go change.
I'm just saying.
Within that time before you go propose, you must know.
In case you never fit notice in 1 week, I don't hear of most of my guys we don't plan. Say I for like propose to this girl next week. You understand? And we don't know. It's okay. Next 1 week there'll be a proposal. But maybe in between that 1 week now, if you don't be say the girl don't go here, say maybe you get pikin. You understand from somebody where you don't want to tell her.
And she don't tell you.
And she don't tell you.
No. She dey plan to tell you, you understand? But you that go come for proposal, you understand? Then she go tell you, say no. You know, because there's always a reason behind.
Don't accept it.
You understand? There's
Now,
always a
another
reason.
thing again where I dey look at now say, I dey believe say it gets if you don't date person for a very long time. If you don't notice some kind things inside and where you know say this no fit lead to marriage, it is better that earlier time. Make you sit them down, fall and talk the matter. Say, see, this.
That is from the guy or the girl.
From any one of them. This and this not the reason why. You don't see where so many times when we say guy never ready to propose to the girl. The girl demands pressure, and the girl won't marry the guy. Then the girl just come up on the ask the guy, say, come, what's in the happen? Say, can't you even marry me? And so the guy will tell and say, no, I know if he marry you. And this not just so I know if he marry you. It dey happen well.
But I really want to get one more topic where we go do one day. Is it proper say any guy where they crank, anybody where they crank as a guy, you understand? If you are not ready, I saw the DP today, they use condom, they can't come out ring. They I say they tear the condom, but now engagement ring now come out. They say if you cannot get married to her, then don't sleep with her. You understand? So but I know say as guys, sometimes, you know, most times we feel they crank. Somebody will be saying we don't get plan to, and even I don't see girl when they crank to somebody when they tell the guy say I don't go marry you.
At this point, cranking to me should be mutual agreement.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
You not just crank girl on the name of say you dey love her or you love her, go marry all those kind of things. Because me now, me,
I guess
cranking I've done in recent time.
Yes. It's just mutual.
You know. See, I've been sex starved.
If I hear, don't annoy me. Don't change. I was telling you now. Don't change this.
If I make talk, you don't change scores. Let him talk.
Now I never see anything go from your nose.
Come on, wait, listen. For some times
for
now.
How long?
You know why? You know why it happened like that? Because I can't get one kind of attitude because I don't want any wahala at this stage. So you call tell me say you don't want to see me again, Abi. I say I have a girlfriend and we are very serious and something will happen very soon. So if you still want to come around,
No problem.
no problem.
We all say that, you understand. You
You
must know the
understand?
rule. Yes. But let me tell you,
So some of the
demonic-
girls now, they'll
there's
come
some
say,
demonic stubborn
no.
girls. When once they don't hear say you have somebody, you understand?
That's the end
They
of it.
will pressurize you.
That's the end
And
of
my
it.
friend, where I carry come Monica birthday, you understand? Clearly, we don't tell this particular girl where they Abuja say she come Lagos here.
When
This
you
guy-
hide girl that they want to see her.
I don't come with girl. I mean my guy.
Okay.
That my guy now.
Maybe we can't go for streets. We'll continue
but-
the gist later.
okay, so-
We won't
we gotta
go
just
for
cut this.
streets. When we come back, we'll continue the gist later, I beg. Not go anywhere. Will they come?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.